Hello and welcome back to my channel. Can you guys believe it? It's 2025. This is my first video for 2025. As you guys saw, I was taking down my Christmas later than usual. It takes forever to put up, so I wanted to enjoy every single bit of my Christmas decor. But thank you for stopping by, and let's get into decorating the rest of the house for 2025. I don't know if I'm gonna go with decorating a little bit of winter or just going straight into decorating for spring. It's too early, I know, but it's your home. You can decorate it however you want. I'm just here to give you guys a little inspiration. That's all. Thank you once again, and let's get into that. Do you guys see my beautiful plant? She's struggling. Don't mind the curtains. I'm gonna change those. She is struggling. She was a little tiny baby plant when I put it in that one. So we need to give her a new pot. She's nice and healthy, and she likes to be right here by the window where the sun comes. But we're gonna go ahead and give her what she needs because she is struggling. She's going to the side. Eternity later, this is where she's at. But I need more soil. I really do. This is a very large planter. She's gonna be happier, but I do need more soil. I got a piece of stick holding her because she's still leaning to the right, but we're gonna put her back in her spot where she likes the sun. She was such a tiny baby when I got her. She's grown, very, very grown. I'm happier with this. It's a plastic planter from Walmart. I forgot to tell you guys that, but yes, this is her new leaf right here. Oh my God. Whew, I struggle, it's heavy. Very, very heavy. Whenever a new leaf is coming in, it comes from in here, and it's coming in coiled. I don't know if you guys could tell. This is the new leaf. And she has these really, really long ones. She lost two in the winter because I didn't have her in the sun. But now she's back here. She just likes this window for some reason. She starts going to that side, follows the sun. I love the leaves. They're nice and big. And next to her, I have another plant. Then I'm gonna put the vine. This vine, do you guys see? I'm gonna put it right next here. And our new addition to the plant family is this one. My money tree. Hopefully this one grows. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because I just put it in this nice pot. That was from, I believe, Ross, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully this one will grow. My husband got it for me. He picked it out for me and gave it to me because that's the only way that you will get supposedly wealth. But my money plant, I don't know where I'm gonna put her right now, but that's where that's at. So a little bit of spring gardening. I did it in the house because it's pitch black outside and it was like 5:30 in the afternoon. Thank you very much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys on my next one. I hope you're having a good 2025. Bye-bye.